Hi everyone, welcome back again to Property Scout channel, and today we're going to take you toward this brand new condo in Sutthisan, Ladprao, and very close to Chok Chai 4 area. If you're ready, let's go. COBE Ladprao Sutthisan is a brand new low-rise 8-story by SC Asset with the concept co-being community for every you. This building located very close to MRT Yellow Line, Chok Chai 4, and very easy access to Blue Line station like Sutthisan and Ladprao as well. Also close to malls like Central Eastville, Central Ladprao, and Central Rama 9. Once this building is completed, it also will come with the facilities like co-working space, gym, and pool. So basically, all things that you need that meets all kinds of lifestyle. And right now, we're in the one-bed flex type. This one is 24 square meters. Let me close the door. The first thing that I noticed is there's tons of storage room. Walking in at first, we have this shoe closet and also tons of storage if you want to store anything, cooking equipment. And this is the kitchen area. You got microwave, the induction, and the hood. Walking in, I really love a separation between kitchen and living space so that the smell of the cooking doesn't get into your living room. And yeah, we're in the living space right now. Very spacious, very comfy, and you're watching your big screen TV right here. And also this little work desk that you can do your work and study as well. This is so nice, and I love that it's next to the window so that you can go to bed and wake up with the city view. I really love that they designed this very perfect if you want to put your soap, shampoo. You don't have to buy any additional extension. They already designed this beautifully. Perfect for your bathroom. You can do shower, washing your hair right here. This mirror is also a storage space, so you can store anything and doesn't have to be clustered by your sink right here. This is so nice as well. I love this little vanity space, so you can like do makeup. This is like perfect actually. I can put all my makeups and like you can do your skincare night routine here. Look at all this knob, very cute. And apart from being knob, I feel like you can hang your bag here as well. Very spacious. And then at the balcony, you have the washing machine. You can hang your clothes in your balcony as well. We're gonna take you to another room type, one bedroom signature. This is 30 square meters. And walking in, you can feel that everything is bigger. This is both the living area and also the dining area. And the highlight, I really love the kitchen. This is big enough for 2 people to cook together. And if you put like the extra table here, you can make this as an extra cooking table, or when you make food, you can put it here as well. This is connect to the balcony, which is the washing area, or you can open this and let the air of the cooking out. So this is perfect if you love cooking. Again, a tons of storage space, all the cooking equipment, microwave, induction, and also this extra space as well. Next up, let's go to the bathroom. It is very similar to what we saw, but also again, bigger space. You have this shower space. Again, your storage space in the bathroom. This is your bedroom. With this room, you have the vanity area next to your bed, and also the closet space right here. You can sleep watching the city and just enjoy living here. So for those who want to live in this area, very easy access to MRT Yellow Line and also close to a lot of business district, COBE Ladprao Sutthisan is on sale right now. If you'd like to see more information, so click the link down below. And again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Property Scout channel. See you next time. Bye!